In this video, I will show you how to block an email sender on your iPhone using the Apple Mail app. If you often receive unwanted emails, blocking the sender can help keep your inbox clean. It's a simple process that only takes a few steps. To get started, locate and open the Apple Mail app on your iPhone. Make sure you are in either your primary mailbox or viewing all mail. Scroll through your inbox until you find the email from the sender you'd like to block. Now, swipe left on the email in question. From the options that appear after swiping left, tap on More. This will open up a new menu with several actions available for managing your emails. In this new menu, scroll down to the very bottom where you'll find an option labeled Block Sender. Tap on it. And there you have it, blocking unwanted email senders in Apple Mail is quick and straightforward. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.